Hi, in this video we'll be looking at how to use the NextGen AI engine in HiSklls. I've created a simple scenario with 3 intent blocks, and this is a 911 call. Now to enable the new AI engine, I'll simply click Settings, select Enable NextGen AI Engine, and that's it. But now we haven't provided the AI with any sort of context. To do that, we can go to the AI Context tab, and here we have 3 options: locations, facts, and personas. So I'm going to add a location. We're going to call this 42 Main Street. Now we're ready to use this AI context. I'm going to play the scenario. 911.
I need help. My father is having a heart attack.
What is your address?
42 Main Street.
So we see in this case, the AI was able to answer a question about the address, even though that information wasn't specified in any of the intents. Not here or here. It simply used the AI context to answer my question when I asked what the address was.